At the airport.
We're at the Vancouver airport.
With Hamish.
With Hamish. Why? Because we're going to Scotland.
Scotland.
Woohoo!
First we fly to Toronto, and then Toronto to Edinburgh. And it's about 10:10 and we'll arrive at 10:10 a.m. there. So we'll see you there.
To the way that you were, never mind. Stick it up, or take it down. Whatever happens, just enjoy the ride. You wanna wake us up or wait around? Another working that'll do, it's all about you now. High tide on the way out. I know what I'm talking about. It's time to let it go. Taking a toll, I mean something.
That's the ride while we're here in Scotland.
Oh my gosh, it's scary.
Okay. Roundabout.
Hang on. What, you off?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Do I turn?
Edinburgh has been the capital of Scotland since the 15th century. And from an early Iron-aged hill fort, it grew into a fortified medieval centre. We're just doing some meandering through the streets. Hey, there's a drone. Or no, is that? Oh, it's a bird.
It's a bird. You're tuned into drones. So we just go across here, I guess.
Yeah, no.
En plan, mira lo que me han dicho, no sé qué. Dice, porque luego me han dicho que se metieron en las reviews.
What's this hiking stuff?
No lo creímos absolutamente.
Legs are feeling it.
Más, ¿sabes?
Here it is, our humble home.
Yeah. Look at these people over there on their deck. They're just looking at us going, who are these people coming in here?
We live here now. This is where we live.
They're a bit Scottish. Yeah.
Let's take a gander.
Oh, look at this. They gave us a goodie bag.
Oh.
Wow, it's quite nice in here.
Yeah.
You could live here, hey, Jess?
I could.
Yeah, very nice.
Well, good morning. Just taking a stroll on the beach here. This is one of the first Airbnbs we're at in Edinburgh. And today we're gonna do Arthur's Seat, which There's a hiking area near the city. And then we're gonna check out a museum. And then see what else is planned, and yeah, we'll enjoy the day.
Perhaps I should have worn my windbreaker.
I told you, bring your windbreaker.
You know?
There you go.
There we go.
Cleaned up.
Yep. Yellow thing.
Oh, it's a pose.
You got us to pose.
Well-worn stairs. Legs are stiff.
Your legs are stiff.
There's the bathtub.
That is the canoe.
The Scots were crossing the narrow sea from Ireland in the 4th and 5th century and established a powerhouse. It's a chance. Large chance.
The bird. No bird.
what you read would have been like. Hamish.
It's James. It's James.
Here's my friend.
That is your friend. The linen maker.
Working with these machines was terrifying. Fingers could be lost, arms.
You know, this would be like the stamps I used to make cards, you know?
Printing and printed products.
Yeah. With a stamp on there, see?
That's what we did.
Yeah. Cool. Certain things are, yeah.
The New Testament.
Oh,
Family Bible. Old and New Testaments.
The kids are playing right now. Are you enjoying these stairs?
No.
Thank you, thank you.
We're heading back to the vehicle now. We might go check out some more ruins. Pretty good day so far.